Module 6, lecture on bandlab assignment. Hey guys, today we are looking at how do you actually upload your bandlab assignment. All right, so right here I have an assignment for a student account. We have here two different assignments for us to take a look at. Do not be working on the old one. That one says it was due sometime last week. Don't use that one, okay? Instead, use this one that has 80 beats per minute on the piano, all right? And what you want to do is press Start Assignment, Teacher's Assignment. Do not use Personal Project, otherwise it won't load in this for you. Okay, so this track right here, Module 6 song at 80 beats per minute, that is the song at 80 beats per minute, and that's the speed that you should be going for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we can hear all of that. What you do for recording now is you click on your measures 1 through 6. This will only be measures 1 through 6. I click on my instrument. I like to have my instrument pop out like this so that I can use it later. So I'm going to go ahead and resize it so that I can see my song and the piano all at once. Here we go. All right, now I have my piano and my song, and I can also hit record, and I can see which track I'm recording on. If I move this down, I can also see exactly where I'm starting the recording from. So we want to start the recording from the beginning, and then I press this Start Record button. Now, I am assuming that you have already practiced the song and you're ready to play it and record it at this point. All right, so here we go Start Recording. I'm going to be talking over what I am playing as well, just so you're aware, but it will be playing in the background of the sound as we go through this. So here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it begins 1, 2, 3, 4. Second measure, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and that is all that we have for measures 1 through 6. I come back here, I play it back, I double check that it's correct. Bam. Okay, we're going to assume you have already listened to it and that it's correct. And then you go on to measures 7 through 10. Let's pull our piano back up here. Measures 7 through 10. I'm going to start the music, or start the ability to record right on measure 7. It should be set up where it gives you one measure before you come in. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, then you come in. So right here, this is measure 7, 8, 9, and 10 that we are going to be playing and recording this time. Make sure that I have that piano up. 1, 2, ready, go. And I recorded just a little bit too much right there. Let me lop that off. If you do happen to record too much, you can just go like that and bam. Now I have done it exactly where I want it. All right, now I listen to this, measure 7 through 10 again. Okay. Now I'm going on to measures 11 through 14. 11 through 14 are what I am going to record now. I click on 11 through 14, then I press this record button. I start on measure 11, and here I go. 2, ready, go. Nope. There I don't go. It starts in a... Okay. All right. Okay, recording measure 11, take 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Great. That is all of measure 11. Okay, I go back, I listen to it. And I want to lop off just a little bit more of this one because it's still catching it. All right, let's try this again. Great. Now that is perfect. I'm ready to move on to measures 15 through 18. So let's scroll it down to measures 15 through 18. This is what I'm now going to be playing. I start on measure 15 on the recording right here. I need to press on that, make the arrow go there, and then I press on the record, and I can actually press the R button as well to start recording. Okay, so we are going to get 4 beats to start, and I'll go ahead and press the record button, count 4 beats to come in. I'm starting on that high F, so F5, here is my F5 on the W, okay, and that's where I'm going to be starting for this next set of notes. 1, 2, ready, go. Two, 3, 4, off. Okay, now that I've done all of it, I want to go ahead and record myself playing the entire song. Okay, so this is the entire song starting from the top all the way from the beginning. Remember, I have 2 beats of rest. I'm going to try and use 2 hands to scroll and move it at the same time. Otherwise, I may just need to go off of memory on what the notes are. Okay, so here is the entire song. 1, 2, 3, 4, second measure, or first measure, 2, 3, 4, second measure, 2, ready, go. Okay, and in that last line, you heard a few mistakes. I ended up recovering from them. I'm going to call that good enough for our purposes for right now. Okay, so now that I have all this, I'm going to go back and double check. Do I have everything correct? Yes, I have measures 1 through 6, 7 through 10, 11 through 14, 15 through 18, and then the entire song from the beginning to the end recorded. Once I have all that, I want to make sure every time I'm done recording, I click on save. Okay, now it's saved, and I can go into my Google Classroom and click submit on this assignment, and then I, as the teacher, now know that you are ready to turn in your assignment here. Okay. That's all we have on how to record it. This went through the entire process for a piano. For the guitar and voice, you still are recording. You're playing your instrument, or you're singing instead of playing it on this piano. right? And choir, remember, you have a different song, and you have the song right there inside of your. So choir, remember, you have your song right there inside of your template that I gave to you guys. Okay, so you have that already there. You can use that and go ahead and use that version. So I hope this helps you guys on how you can record these songs right here in BandLab. And don't forget, be better than you were yesterday.